Hey guys, so today we'll be talking about the websites which I've been talking about. The course on Udemy that actually helped me to start the course. So let's go there. I'm on my browser here. So on this browser, let's go to udemy.com. So we are here. So here on Udemy, I believe you guys probably know most of all these things here. So, but I'll just have to go through them the way I started. So once I'm here, I just go to Udemy and I'll search for Angela. Yeah, Angela Yu. Yeah, she pops the search result pops up. Yeah, see. So this is the Complete 2023 Web Development Bootcamp. See the bestseller course about 332 reviews. So let me click here. Let me click on it. It pops up. So they have 1.1 million students taught so far. Wow, that's nice. See the Complete 2023 Web Development Bootcamp. Become a full stack developer with just one course. You go through the HTML, the CSS, the JavaScript, Node, React, PostgreSQL, Web.3, and the apps. You know, it was actually updated on the 10th of 2023, which is this month. Wow, that's nice. So here in my country, Nigeria, there is a discount right now, 79% discount. Initially, it was 34,900, which means you can actually get this for $7,500. Wow, this is nothing up to $10 in my country. Wow, that's very nice. And they also offer 3-day money back guarantee. That's wonderful. That is the best thing I've actually seen so far. So what will you learn in this course based on this? All right, so you will learn how to build 10 web development projects for your portfolio and ready it for junior developer jobs. Wow, that's nice. After the course, you learn how to build any website you want. That's pretty nice. You can also work as a freelance web developer. That's good too. That's wonderful. And they say master back-end development with Node. That's good. So learn latest technologies, including web JavaScript, React, Node, and even Web3 development. That's pretty nice. So without saying all this thing, let's just play this course and see the preview of the whole thing, of what she was. So look at the course preview. Let me just pause it instead of playing the whole thing. So now the course. Now what does this course? What does it include? I have the course here on my system. 62 hours on demand video, which means everything on this video is all about is the whole time is all 62 hours. 7 coding exercises are in, 65 articles, and 118 downloadable resources, which means it's downloadable. Of course, you can actually buy it, download it, and have it on your system for reference later. You can also access this on your mobile and TV. Be shared. Now, this course now is actually recommended by companies like NAVDAQ, WordPress, Bob, NetApp. So their employees actually was also take this course. They have other exercises you can do from here too. So look at the course content here. We have the course syllabus. First of all, rules of how to do the thing, how website actually work, how you can get the most out of what they work, and how to get help when you are stuck. I am in love with this particular video. This particular one, I'm in love with this because this actually helps me for me to know how to actually where to get help when I get lost. This helped me so much. I'm sorry about the noise, guys. I'm actually in my office right now making this video, so vehicles are passing by, so containers and all of that. I'm sorry about the noise. So right now inside this course here, so look at the first one here, HTML, where she will talk about HTML tags, paragraph tags, closing tags, and everything. After that, we move to intermediate closing tags. Here we also have a project. We see this is called birthday invite. So what I love so much about this course is every course actually have a project which you will do. And if you want to actually do more with what you have learned, you just have to go in, go out there, and get more courses for yourself. So after you are done with that, now we have multi-page websites. So here we also look at other things: HTML boilerplate, a portfolio website where you do your portfolio, you have everything about you. Then later you deploy to GitHub and all of that. See there. Then also what CSS. Why you need CSS? How to add CSS, CSS quiz, and everything. The CSS properties, they are all here. The CSS box model, the margin, padding. This box model actually helps me to understand CSS, the margin, padding, and all of that. Because before I was having issues with this, but I just thank God for this course. It helped me a lot. And like a big shout out to Angela. For real, like a big shout out to Angela. Angela tried. Like she's good. I won't just say anything, but she's good. With this course alone, like I've known what I know where I've gotten to. Though I've not actually arrived there yet, but I know where I am right now. So I'm still working my way to the top. So after that, you move to intermediate CSS, where you do CSS positioning. You see this thing here, this CSS positioning. It helps me so much to understand absolute positioning, relative, and all of that. Because before I suck at it, but right now I'm better. All still thanks to Angela. So also what the advanced CSS floats, media queries. Now see, we do a project about web design agency website. So, and again, she gave tip of how to this topic how to deal with this stuff here called procrastination. Instead of you to just keep postponing things, how you can actually handle it and do it better. Then the grid flex balls, which is also nice. Then the CSS grid, which is also nice. So this has to do with the intermediate level. These are the requirements of the whole thing. Though there's still more sections here. After that you move to Bootstrap, then you move to other ones here. Some of them here you just need to just take your time and check out the whole thing. So there's boss challenge, Simeon game in JavaScript, DOM manipulation. Wow, like first time in my life, like this is the first JavaScript course which I have actually taken. It was hard for me. I won't say it was hard for me, but at first I sucked. Like I was so bad. I went into depression, but I came out of it. But I won. At last, it was just all a challenge. Then jQuery. Though right now people don't use more of jQuery, but there's people there using jQuery. Though people do more of React right now and everything. To the Unix command line, the back end development, the Node, the Express, the EGS, Git version control, and everything, database and everything. See, all these things is all included. Even minting NFTs, how to create your own token and everything, all comes from these courses. Now the requirements now, who is this made for? You see, no programming experience needed. They will teach everything from scratch. Just what? All you need is a computer with internet access, nothing more. No paid software. They will walk you through the step-by-step process. So this is the course description where she talked about everything. He said, welcome to the Complete Web Development Bootcamp. The only course you need to learn to code and become a full stack developer with 150 plus. See, 150,000 plus ratings and other things included in the course. You see, like we love so much is, see, it will save you $12,000 for it. Because when you actually go to a physical bootcamp, the same thing you will learn here is what they will teach you there. But with this will save you a whole lot of money, and it's coupled with the fact that it's a step-by-step walk through the whole thing. Now this is a whole comprehensive course where you do all these things all listed out here. Before you do all these things, man, come out, definitely you will know what is web development back and forth. Then one thing again, of course, you need to put in effort. You need to put in more effort, through research, through projects and everything for you to understand this better. Now, who is this course for? If you want to learn to code through building fun and useful projects, of course. If you want to start your own startup by building your own website and web apps, that's nice. If a seasoned programmer, so you want to take up the course to speed up your process quickly with the latest frameworks and Node.js. If you want to take one course and learn everything you need, so that is That's wonderful. Look at reviews from people. This reviews are still 3 years, So the thing I've actually helped students. If you go down, you see ratings, man. Look at ratings, 3,332K, man. That's a whole lot. People have actually, man, this is good. She also has more courses of Python, Swift, even Flutter. She's at Stride. Like this course. In fact, I'll just say that this course was just more like an eye opener for me. I've been struggling for years, but with this course alone, I was able to scale through. So that's why I'm making this video. So if you're out there and you're struggling to learn, I will recommend this course to you. Wherever you are in the world, are you from Europe, Asia, America, Nigeria, Africa, anywhere you are, just give this course a try, because it's helped me. I'm not trying to advertise Angela or what, but because I'm a testimony to this. So that's why I'm just doing this video. Alright, so I want you guys to tell me what you guys think about the course, and if actually you have maybe you learned from here or from another resource, please share with me in the comment section. Please like, share, support the channel, just give us a thumbs up because of YouTube algorithm and all of that. So thank you guys for watching so far. I'll see you guys on the next video. I will making my video about how actually learn JavaScript is coming up soon. The part 2 of it is coming up soon. How I actually talked about everything, how I was able to scale through. I've actually posted the part 1 out, but now the part 2 will be coming out soon, and I'll be posting it just in a few days now. So alright, so thank you guys. So I'll see you in the next one.